Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
The legendary multi-fuel WhisperLite International has been the industry standard since its inception. Over that time, we have accumulated a significant amount of feedback and have been able to fine-tune it to be an even tougher stove to beat. The new 2012 model has been upgraded to deliver superior stability, lighter weight, easier maintenance, and greater overall performance. We brought these benefits forward to become the foundation of the new hybrid fuel WhisperLite Universal Stove, delivering market-leading performance and innovation. With patent-pending technology, we've created one of the lightest, most versatile hybrid fuel stoves available, offering uncompromised performance with canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gas. An included canister stand also allows it to run on inverted canisters for improved cold weather and low fuel performance. Both the WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal stoves benefit from new stamped stainless steel legs and serrated pot supports for stove stability and use with larger cookware. In addition, the stove legs are now fixed to the stove assembly, greatly simplifying the process of changing fuel jets and cleaning the stove. An aluminum burner tube reduces overall weight, and we've refined the geometry of the generator loop for even greater performance across fuel types. Building on this foundation, the WhisperLite Universal Stove adds the versatility of hybrid fuel performance, burning canister fuel as well as white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. Though a few other stoves can also burn a similar spectrum of fuels, none combine the advantages of low weight, excellent value, and consistently high performance into a single stove. We've taken a proven platform and made it even better. The new WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal meet our high standards for quality, reliability, and performance. The new WhisperLite Universal in particular expands on the platform by allowing the stove to operate in liquid feed canister mode, and it does so extremely efficiently with the use of our air control technology. With the added versatility and performance of these new stoves, even die-hard fans of the old WhisperLites are going to be excited about these new offerings.
And this is my fire starter tool, and it's small, it's compact, and it will give you years of use. And starting fires in the wild can be hard if you haven't got the right kit. And all this is, snap locks open, watertight, and then it's got a striker, and then the fire steel. And then that closes together, and then in the cap, snap lock, and inside it's watertight, and it just contains cotton balls that is really good tinder for starting fire. And then on the lanyard again is a whistle. Super useful tool, trust me.
The MiniWorks EX Microfilter is the world's best-selling microfilter, delivering long-lasting, field-maintainable water filtration in demanding environments. Engineered for frequent and heavy use, it utilizes our workhorse MiniWorks ceramic element to reliably ensure clean and taste-free water. At just 16 ounces, the MiniWorks EX Microfilter is compact and lightweight enough to take on any outdoor adventure. Thanks to its innovative air spring accumulator, it's capable of pumping 1 liter per minute, and the flow rate can be renewed easily and repeatedly in the field, no tools required. The MiniWorks ceramic element's carbon core removes unpleasant tastes and odors caused by organic compounds such as iodine, chlorine, and pesticides. Each ceramic element is able to filter around 2,000 liters, making it last through many trips into the backcountry. Before using the MiniWorks EX Microfilter for the first time, it is necessary to flush the filter. This removes the harmless carbon dust present in new cartridges. Unscrew the clean side cover from the housing. Attach the cover to the clean water cap to avoid cross-contamination. Place the inlet cage into the water and begin pumping. The inlet cage should hang a few inches under the water surface and the float should keep it suspended off the bottom. Keep pumping 1 or 2 minutes to ensure the system has been completely flushed. Flushing the filter only needs to be conducted before its first use. Always choose the cleanest and clearest available water sources when filtering. When possible, avoid filtering silty, cloudy, muddy, or tea-colored water, as this can quickly clog the filter, requiring more frequent maintenance. Attach an MSR dromedary bag or alpine bottle onto the base of the filter. The filter can also be attached to any standard wide-mouth bottle, or a hose can be attached to the nipple inside the filter base. Begin pumping until water begins to flow through the filter. In most situations, pumping operates best at around 70 to 80 strokes per minute. The MiniWorks EX Microfilter has an air spring design that provides the best performance when air is visible in the filter housing. This air does not need to be purged from the system. When you are finished filtering, unscrew the clean water container and securely fasten its cap. Remove the inlet cage from the water and continue pumping to purge the filter of any remaining water. To avoid cross-contamination, always pack the MiniWorks EX Microfilter with the clean side cover attached. Wind the inlet hose around the housing and secure it in place with the tube clip. When you get home, gently scrub the ceramic element and rinse with clean water. Then let it air dry for several days before storing it. This will ensure your filter is ready for your next trip. Never use a dishwasher to clean the MiniWorks or its parts. High heat may cause damage to the filter. For more information on maintenance, troubleshooting, and tips for this and other MSR products, please visit msrgear.com.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
Having a good first aid kit is essential for any trip. Whether you're tramping, hunting, mountain biking or climbing, a first aid kit should always come with you. You can get these from most outdoor stores, or you can put it together yourself if you want to customize it. Either way, your kit should carry these essential items at a minimum. Antiseptic wipes, used to wipe away dirt and keep wounds clean. Band-aids, having 3 different types will be useful. Saline solution, used to irrigate any cuts. Sterile gauze, used to stop the bleeding of wounds too big for a band-aid. Wound dressing, to protect wounds. Crepe bandage, used to keep gauze and dressing in place. It's also useful for keeping swelling down. Scissors, tweezers... Jordan, did you steal my tweezers again to pluck your eyebrows?
No. No, definitely wasn't me.
Anyway, safety pins, strapping tape, painkillers, anti-inflammatories, antihistamines, and personal medication. Remember, check your first aid kit before you go out to replenish any items that have been used or stolen once you get back.
Abby, you have that first aid kit? I think I cut myself while I was at venturing.
No, sorry Jordan, this is just the planning video. Check out our using your first aid kit video for some help.
Oh, alright, well fair enough.
Your eyebrows look fantastic.
Thanks, I grow them out of my face.